morning, everyone. This is Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a video. Lady T ZCD, and yes, y'all can't see me on camera. This is morning for me, so I'd rather just, hang back and let you guys see what I'm doing. This is a quick demonstration of my breakfast today. I am going to have a smoothie. I'm trying to start eating a little bit healthy, and I'm, going back to my roots where I used to just have smoothies in the morning and something very light and easy and still healthy for me to digest early in the morning. Because sometimes, you guys, I don't want a full breakfast. I don't want, eggs, bacon, and I love all of that good stuff. But sometimes in the mornings, not really get hungry. I might not even eat until like 11 or 12. So this is a great way for me to start my day. So we're gonna get to it. A quick smoothie. And I know everybody knows how to make smoothies, or everybody, know where to go purchase a smoothie. But I'm gonna show you my way by demonstrating on my blender that I got for Christmas. One of my gifts that my husband purchased as well for Christmas. Now this is, I don't know if you can see the box here. This is a oyster. I hope y'all can see it. Blender. I think he picked it up at Walmart. It was only I think it was on sale for $25. It's huge. It's a nice combination of blender, and you can take a also side container with you if you want to travel with. So all these pieces, all the blender and the piece here comes together as a set for about $25 at the time. So I thought that was a good purchase, and I love these too when I'm on the go and I can take it with me. Now this particular blender, it states it's a party blender. You make drinks and cocktails with it, and that'll come in handy down the road as well. Even on the blender, it has the different types of right here on the label. Y'all, let y'all see it. I'm gonna move y'all around a little bit today. You can see the different type of cocktails you can make on the blender. Put y'all back where I have you here. Yes, and so on this blender you can make it has a gadget where you can have margaritas. What else is on here? Daiquiris, pina coladas, all type of mud slides and all that. A different type of settings on the blender you can make different type of cocktails with. But today we're just gonna do a quick smoothie. Let's get started. Now, there's no right or wrong way, to start this thing. I normally go ahead on and put my fruit at the bottom. Now, yesterday I had a green smoothie. Today I'm gonna have a fruit smoothie. So these are my clean, already washed vegetables. Fruit. I'm having a berry smoothie. You have mixed berries here, as you can see. Y'all know what berries look like. Lord have mercy. Let me not pick that up, because I got y'all where I want you. Okay, so just strawberries and blueberries and raspberries, already washed. So I will put them inside here, as y'all already know. The blender is ready to go, already clean, washed, and it's a glass blender, you guys. It's not plastic, so I love that. Very good quality. So I will put that already in there, get that going. Now, as far as the protein is concerned for my smoothie, I purchased this particular brand here from Sprouts. I don't know if you guys have a Sprouts in your area, but it's a veggie or vegan type of protein. So it's very good and healthy for me. You get 20 to 10 in a pack. And protein mix is very expensive, so I try not to use the whole pack for one smoothie. One pack can make 2 smoothies, and as I said earlier, I've already made one for breakfast yesterday morning. So here's the remaining part of this pouch. It's all protein, organic protein. Open it up a little bit more. Put the rest in there. Because I don't know about y'all, but I don't like my smoothies tasting chalky, kind of, you know, powdery. I don't like that taste. So that's a lot. I could have probably did 2 more with what's in this remaining package. But it lasts a long time. I've had this box for a while. I also put in some flax seeds. Flax seeds is good for you, healthy for you. I got this particular, there was one time it was buy one, get one free, and it lasts a long time. You have to keep it refrigerated. And so, oh, lost you guys, I'm sorry. You have to keep it refrigerated. And yeah, and I got this from GNC, flaxseed. And so it's very healthy for you. It's all type of, it's good for your cardiovascular health and omega-3s and 6 and 9 and all that good stuff. Y'all know about flax seeds. There you go. Sprinkle a little bit in here. Just not a lot. You don't need too much. I don't like a lot. I also have the chia seeds, organic chia seeds. And I got these from Sprouts. Sprout is a grocery store, healthy grocery store, just like a Trader Joe's. You guys heard of Sprouts, but you could probably get this at any health food store. So I will sprinkle a little bit of this in there as well. Seeds are so important for you guys, for your health. Your digestive system is plant-based, and it's really, really good for you. Okay. I also put ice in mine because I want it to be a little cold. Of course, I like it cold. You don't have to put ice in it. You can put milk in it, water. I do put a little water in it as well to dilute it a little bit. So I have my fresh water bottle here. Now I put a little water in it to help it break it down some. And that's about it for me. Now, sometimes I put, if I want to mix fruit and vegetable, I put spinach in it or I put avocado in it. But I had that yesterday as far as the green smoothie. So I will go ahead and put the top on here. Comes with a great top and it's very snug. And I'll go ahead on. The noise is a little loud, you guys, but. Guys, as far as how much you want to the thickness of it. Right now it's thick, but it's still, you know, could be, for me, I like it a little bit more, not too much of a thick consistency, because it can get, you know, kind of, you can still taste the lumps of, for me, ice in the fruit. Some people like that, but I would like it a little bit more smoother. New to me, you guys. I just start using it. You don't have to put your, I don't know, I always hold it down. Like if for some reason I feel it's hot and pop off or something, I don't know. But you don't have to hold it down. Now let's get to where I would like to have it. Alright. So you don't have to hold it down. Let's see. I think this is good. Oh yeah, smells delicious and fresh, you guys. So, and for me, I always have to have a pretty glass to drink out of. I don't have any straws. I normally have straws as well. Now, as you can see, it's really, really, the consistency of it is just like a smoothie that you would buy at Smoothie King or wherever you go out buy your your smoothies. Now I have a lot left. I have another glass left. And normally I would just drink, you know, another glass too, because it's not going to be enough just for just for one, you know, for breakfast. So this will be drunk, you know, this will be drunk up as well. I will drink this as well. Okay. I think it worked out pretty good. My smoothie, first time doing a smoothie video with you guys. Let me taste it. It's delicious, you guys. Thanks for watching Lady T ZCD. Thank you guys for coming in and checking me out. If you made it to this point of the video thus far, please comment below. Tell me what you guys do. Y'all like this type of videos, these displays of different things that I may choose to replace my meals with, different smoothies or what have you. Comment below, like, share. Thank you guys for watching. My new subscribers, thank you guys for holding me down. Y'all know I truly appreciate it. My old subscribers, you guys are gems. I really appreciate you guys' support. And I'll talk to you guys. Leave a comment below, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. If you guys have not subscribed, please hit that notification bell. And I truly appreciate it. So you get all my uploaded new videos. And I'll talk to you guys in another video. Goodbye.